Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Now this is a very quick bonus video because I wanted to show you something. Do you remember all our pen pots, desk tidies, candy holders, whatever you want to call them? Yes? Well, I just realised that if you stack them all up, so let's get our Christmassy ones at the bottom. Let's get our snow people on the top. Look, we have a tin can bowling game. So get a tennis ball and basically have a go at knocking them all over. So basically I just wanted to show you that simply because it's fun, and I think it's a great way to show how one craft, you know, can be used in lots of different ways. And they're so quick and so easy to make that, you know, if you get them damaged, it doesn't really matter. Just tape them up or make some more. So yes, quick bonus video just to say, look how fun you can turn these into a Christmas game as well. Anyway, take care. Bye.